Hey guys, welcome back to High Speed Miner. Today we're just gonna do a simple unboxing talking about the batteries I was cleaning out the other day. So we just getting something out of a package, and I'm gonna show you how and what we're gonna do with them, and we're gonna see the little unboxing after the regular intro. See you then. All right guys, so we are back, and you can see it. I got it right here. Let's turn out down the camera like we normally do, and okay, let's see. We're getting into the package. Yep, there it is. The camera is doing what it's gotta be done. Yeah, I got a lot of projects, so I can see. Oh, this side, I can see right there. That's those right there. That's the batteries. So they're really clean. That was the video you guys seeing me doing it. So we cleaning about roughly, I think was like by 3. So I think it was 30, 60, 70 cases by 3 battery. Okay, so here's what we ordered. Can I show you? There is the coming. This is what we're gonna put the battery. I need to make it in like 24 volts. Just all 3. So we got total 4 of these. I would think I ordered 5. I think it's got one more on the way. I was thought I ordered 5. That was weird. I was thinking I was getting 5. So I think yellow because now was specifically at the one. So this is what it's going with them. This is what the battery is going and stuff like that. One of them should be had the BCN. Well, this one didn't. Let's see. All right, the same the other ones. Okay. All right. So yeah, there they are. All right. So this was the thing I was looking for. All right. This is the protection batteries. So they look kind of a little cheaper, but for what we're gonna need it, for what I'm gonna use in it, I can see in it. So the rest is the other stuff you in this one. Should be 2 per stuff for battery. Got the knickers on the other one. We're gonna have to order some knickers. And we got all 4 protection bar. Yeah, this is the one is just keeping the battery on check. So if you, for example, you gotta make it, this is for 12.6 volts, so this is connections on the side of the 8.4 and this in the side of the 4.2. So that means you get one of these sample. You got 3 lines. So each line should be 4.2 volt, 4.2 volt, and 4.2 volt. Altogether is making a 12.6 volt. So that's how that work. And what you're doing, you're putting in series, like this one with that one and the battery with this side. And then you just got the 12 volt. So it's just simple now. I just wanted to show you and did a small unboxing for you guys. And sorry the video is super short. We may gonna do a streaming. That'll be one of my first streaming I'm gonna do in it. The thing I'm gonna do is I gotta build the soldering, the sports welding, so that way we can connect all the battery together. And also you guys will see that. And let me move this back up. Let's move the camera up so you can see me. There we go. All right, so we're gonna wrap up everything right here. If you guys not doing anything yet, just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like always, that helping me out. Press the like button. Also be helping me out to spread the word of my video. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll be see you into the next one. This is gonna be a continuation video, and I'll see you on the next one.